Coordinating Committee of Manipur Integrity, Kokomi urges people to cease work on October 31st to agitate against disintegration of Manipur. MPCC submits memorandum to safeguard Manipur to Prime Minister and Union Home Minister through Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah. Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan urges Ayushman Bharat beneficiaries to approach BJP workers for any inconveniences while utilizing their health cards. And Hindu community of Manipur celebrates Diwali, the festival of lights, with fervor and gaiety. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. Impact News wishes our dear viewers a very happy Diwali. And I'm Premi Thangcham, bringing you the top stories. Coordinating Committee of Manipur Integrity, Kokomi, has appealed to people of the state to cease work on October 31st to carry out various forms of agitations to protect the integrity of Manipur. The one-day cease work strike will start from 4 a.m. till midnight on October 31st. Kokomi also warned of declaring the decision on future political ties between India and Manipur if the final agreement of Indo-Naga peace talks ever affect the territorial integrity of Manipur. Speaking to media at Lamyan Basanglenin Palace compound this evening, Kokomi convener Sunil Karam said that people of Manipur feel betrayed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister has failed to consider their interests and has not disclosed content of Indo-Naga framework agreement. He maintained that Manipur has suffered much enough for over 70 years under the divisive rule of the Indian government.
Laklibok October ki tang kuntraga mathoi asida Manipur lairiba miyam punamak kangluk puruk khaidana noma ki sintha lepiduna aikoi makhal makha kaya gi lambi da tholaktana club mara pabi imung manung dei thola kana 30% agreement asida inagadurba wapam singa se Manipur gi interest sokpa yawbra yawdabra haiba se lambi da thola kana koi makhal makha kaya punamak ki protest obu 31st ki October gi 4 am dagina aikoi gi midnight phawada 20 hours ki oiba Manipur da sintha lepagi khongchang amka lauthokchari Isha Togani Kalakanda, Numisida, Akan by my Leka, the Tolotona, Akan the protestima, Tawu, I river protestasi, Tauringagi Manundasu, Tongan Tonganba, Puru Kalup, Nungaroidova, Atugumba, Wapam Kamp, Manipumiam, Tawigano, Aduga, Manipur, the Laminari, Kundamina, Punamanoso, I quit Tonganba, using the appearance and Popigano, I quit a Tenagavadi, Government of India, Dani, Amasu Manipur, Government, I quit Himinariba, Atugumba, Ishini now singida, I quit Kanagumanta, I quit Nuaita Wapamata.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today submitted a memorandum to the Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister through Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah, urging the central leaders not to let the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks ever harm the territorial integrity of Manipur. Speaking to media at Raj Bhavan Gate after submitting the memorandum, former Chief Minister and CLP leader Okrami Bobi said that the Congress party took the initiative to submit the memorandum as the proposed visit to Delhi to submit a memorandum to protect Manipur by the old political party team had been cancelled due to failure to get an appointment from the Prime Minister. He added that provision of an economic package with the conclusion of the peace talks to develop health districts of Manipur is welcome, but the conclusion must not disintegrate Manipur at any cost. Okrami Bobi warned that the Congress party will unceasingly strive against any threat to Manipur.
State government na sinbirakani haina khoi ngai leibani adubu hujik paw sinbidrabani na akhoi ngasi asi honorable prime minister da memorandum ama submit tawduna copy to honorable home minister da copy to adu khoi honorable governor da ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯦꯟꯗꯝꯗꯨ ꯄꯤꯁꯟꯖꯔꯨꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯗ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯗ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯊꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯖꯕꯗꯤ 31st ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯗꯤꯇꯔꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯆꯣꯟꯊꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯂꯦꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯁꯦꯅꯥꯄꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯇꯃꯦꯡꯂꯣꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯅꯕꯅ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯛ ꯄꯦꯀꯦꯖ ꯄꯤꯕꯗ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯕꯨ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯀꯥꯏꯔꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯍꯨꯟꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯁꯨꯛꯉꯝ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ
Manipur United Clubs organization Amuko observed the third death anniversary of Pabung Thaunaujam Iboyaima at Amuko office in Kwakatel today. Speaking at the memorial event of late Thaunaujam Iboyaima, also known as father of social worker, Amuko advisor P.H. Deban asserted that people of Manipur have no objection to the conclusion of the over 22-year pending Indo-Naga peace talks between the Indian government and NSC and IM. However, the demands of NSC and IM should be effective only in Nagaland state. He stressed the need for the leaders of Nagaland to come together to solve the prevailing issue over demand for a separate flag and a constitution for Nagaland. P.H. Deban wished Nagaland to get a separate geographical, economical and political aspiration with the conclusion of the peace talks, maintaining that various civil society organizations in the state will extend support to NSC and IM cadres from Tangkhul, Mao, Zimi, Liangmai, Rongmai and Anal communities of Manipur if they ever want to lead normal lives in Manipur. Deban urged the government to offer necessary assistance for the same. He, however, warned of befitted actions if the central government sidelines the interests of the stakeholders concerned while finalizing the peace talks.
Manipur miyamgi wa tadana Manipur government gi wa tadana nampuda tawrakpa taragadi adugumba waroi sinduda miyamna pamdaba yawramagadi miyam singna madudadi aikhoi hanba leitana miyamgi damakta aikhoi ngasi changjaliba akhoi gi kokomigi makhada changjaliba khongjang singase masida hena akanba khongjang changjilakani masina 18 June thokiba miyoi taragani pan misi mina yawkiba thodok singado madudagi hena tholakpasu yai aduna Bharat Sarkarna madugumba pamdaba thodok singado thoktananaba ahanbada lairiba state amasung stakeholders sing tanaraganda waroisin thiminasi haiba simasu thamjari.
Speaking to media, P.H. Deban asserted that people are apprehensive over massive deployment of paramilitary forces by the centre in the state, asserting that Manipur was once an independent kingdom and people of the state even fought against the mighty British. P.H. Deban maintained that people of the state cannot be knocked down by competency of military forces. He urged all the 60 state MLAs to act swift in the interests of the people. Floral tributes were paid to the portrait of Pabung Iboyaima at the event. Convener of Pabung Iboyaima Memorial Trust T.H. Ajit, President of Poirei Laimarol Mairapaibi Apunba Manipur Elmem Chaubi, Amuko President P.H. Nando and representatives of various organizations attended the event.
Nagaland su tonganba security mayam ama thajalaga Manipur su achoba security mayam ama thajalaganda miyamgi machin menanabagi mawong manba thausil khara aikhoina ngasi uba phangise masidi aikhoi yamna laibak thibani karigumba sigumbagi military na namjalaganda miyamgi kholau namjangani haibagi wakhalon laiba targadi madu chapchana miyam chingna thengnanabagi damakta sem saminasi adugumbagi tangkaktu lakpa targadi Manipur laiba chief minister dagina MLA hompu se aikhoi chap manana phire Lauraganda, Akoi Makoi Singuna, Pam Tadokana, Hena Fagani, Manipur Kanba, Ibasina, Nakoi Puna Maki Todang, Oigadabani, Akoi Puna Maki Todang, Oigadamani.
11 different organizations of Muslim community of the state have submitted a memorandum to Governor Dr. Najma Habdullah today against disintegration of Manipur by the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks. Representatives of Amokok, MMOF, MCM, ADCCM, UMMWDO, AITI, AMSO, PFI, Lipul, Zimiatul, Umla and Imam Council submitted the memorandum. Speaking to media, Amokok President SM Jalal said that Muslim community of the state resolved to stand for the integrity of Manipur during a convention held on October 25th, and the same has been apprised to the Chief Minister yesterday. SM Jalal also stated that copy of the memorandum submitted to the governors today has been forwarded to the Prime Minister and the Home Minister via email.
Sathariban Nagagi Santigi Wari Semasi Akoi Masigi Poloema Lakpada Waro Cinema Lakpada Koi Sungsoi Sweden Akoi welcome Togani Tobotabo Akoi Manipurgi territorial boundary territorial integrity Semasi Kairo Dabo Wagadabane Aduga Anishu Boda Koi Mahusha de Lajarakpa Koi administrative structure Semasi Kairo Dabani ethnic community the Yumpa Moiraga Tonganbe administrative structure Semba Natragana Koi territorial council gumba sembagi wafam semasi lerakpa taragadi manipur gi leriba pluralistic oiba ethnic community singi punne hingminabagi saktam sida achouba kaiba ma pirakani adugumba thong ama phawga khoi yaba ngamloi maduna tabo oi taragadi khoi lakadoriba outcome ado khoi gi pangan khunai no welcome tawgani haiba wafam sini.
Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO Mayang Imphal branch also carried out a mass protest rally today against threat to territorial integrity of Manipur with the finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks. Speaking to media, MMWA working president condemned the Indian government of playing divide and rule policy to disintegrate Manipur. MMWO also staged protest meet against the same in Bishnupur district today. President of Women's Association for Social Economic Development, Vasudev R.K. Tharaksana, condemned the central government for not disclosing the final content of Indo-Naga Framework Agreement to the stakeholders and CSOs concerned. Speaking on the sidelines of a protest rally organized by Kokomi from Chekon till Chief Minister's Secretariat, Tharaksana urged people of Manipur not to remain silent in the wake of possible culmination of the peace talks by October 31st. 12 women protesters also submitted a memorandum to safeguard Manipur to the Chief Minister and the Governor.
Arena bina lautokiba October 31st pabagi manungda waroi sinchi pora ani naga santigi wari si na haibasida akoigi mamangda 2017 da adugumba India gi Home Minister na karigumba warisun porak patarga su warisun porak tringa gi mamangda koi Manipur gi adugumba praja sing stakeholders sing tanara kan sida akoi adumaina yam ingna samna warisun porakani na haibiraga ngasi phabuda makoina silent oina karigumba amata koi da khanganda ba haibasi akoi da yam singna ba paujai maram aduna akoi di Manipur gi saktam amasung Manipur gi karigumba interest sokpa ya tabak tawra akoi tumina lairo haidana ngarang maham akoi haukiba tang kulhum humdoidagi akoi section mi pampamba amadi section akoi rally satpana chingba akoi memorandum pisan ba kaya amasung tawgre ngasi makchu akoi adumla ba akoi gi governor amasung chief minister da akoi memorandum pisan na bai damak akoi mapam chida lakchabani.
Volunteers of Coordinating Committee Ziribam on Manipur Integrity, COCJMI and all Ziribam and Auto Rickshaw Drivers and Owners Association jointly carried out Auto Rickshaw rally in Ziribam district today against disintegration of Manipur by the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks. The rally was carried out from Babupara till Gurlathol. Members of Joint Committee Tidim Welfare Association Tera Khongsangbi, under the initiative of Kokomi, held a public alert meet at Tera Khongsangbi Laimaram Laikai in Bishnupur district today against a threat to Manipur by the final agreement of Indo-Naga peace talks. Various club members and Maira Poibis of the area took part in the meet. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan has urged the beneficiaries of Ayushman Bharat to inform the workers of Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur Pradesh, if they face any inconveniences in getting medical treatment at hospitals using their health cards. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan held an exclusive meeting with the beneficiaries at his residence in Kongba today. Speaking on the occasion, the MP lauded Prime Minister Narendra Modi for launching Ayushman Bharat, which is the largest health scheme in the world, providing health insurance cover of up to 5 lakh rupees to destitute and deprived families in the country. He stated that over 7,000 people have registered under the health scheme in Manipur. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan said that today's breakfast meet with the beneficiaries of Ayushman Bharat Health Scheme in the state on the occasion of Diwali festival was held under the initiative of Prime Minister Modi to address the plights facing the beneficiaries. Dr. R.K. Ranjan extended warm Diwali greetings to everyone in the state and wished for the festival to bring peace and prosperity. He hoped that the finalization of the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks will not cause mayhem in the state.
October की तांग 18 असिदा अचौबा नागागी पीस की वारोइसन अमा पोरकदबा से मसी अखोई खुदिमगना लाई खोरमिनरगा नागागी मतम चुप्पगी ओबा शांति पोरकपा लोइनना युमलोनबदा लैरिबा मणिपुर अखोई लैबाक अदुग तोंगान तोंगानबा स्टेट सिंग असे मसी पीसफुली मखोइदा इफेक्ट तौदना नागागी शांति से अखोई पुनमगना सपोर्ट तौबा मणिपुर की टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रिटी सु काहनदबा लेबाक प्रजा की मीपाइनबसु लहनदबा अदुगमा यामना इंग चिकबा मोदी जी न पामजबा नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया से अखोई पुनमगना ngasi नुमिसिदगी अखोई वाखलदा अमंबा लेरंबदो मदो दीपावली की मैंगाल सिना अखोई सिंगालहलगा शांति पुरकपा अखोई इंगना सिंगना लेमिनबा जाति मसे नुंगसिनबा हाइबदो ngasi नुमित असिदगी ओइरसी.
Taking part in the press meet, former Nagaland Governor P.B. Acharya lauded Manipur for its unique beauty and its immense potentials in various fields. He called upon everyone to contribute in realizing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision for a peaceful country. In his Diwali greetings, P.B. Acharya wished for peace, progress and prosperity in the state.
Very happy Deepavali. Wherever our people are there, they should be respected and they should have an opportunity to enjoy all the benefits of independence. That should be the goal. Territory should come to us, should not be there that way. We are thinking wherever the Manipuri people are there, whether in Delhi or here or the outside, our goal should be, government goal should be, they should have an equal, respectful life like others. So also Nagas, wherever the Nagas are there, whether in Manipur or here or there in Assam, the ultimate goal should be the welfare of the people, and I hope this will be immediately in no way minimizing the effect of the respectability of the Nagas. Modi will act on that. So let us realize and be the nodal agent to convert Modi's dreams to strengthen Northeast in the future, in the near future.
Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam graced the 18th Foundation Day celebration of UNACO School at Maitram in Imphal West today. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Radheshyam assured of positive changes in the education sector of Manipur in the near future. He acknowledged that there were various flaws and snags in the state's education sector last year. Radheshyam expressed pride that Manipur secured a top position among the smaller states in India in the recent School Education Quality Index SECI 2019 declared by National Institution of Transforming India Niti Aayog, and at the increasing pass percentage of class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSIM and COSIM. Minister Radheshyam stated that the Ministry of Human Resources has sanctioned 480 crore rupees for improving the infrastructure of 401 government schools of the state. He also laid the foundation stone for building hostels of UNACO School on the occasion. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Nauriya Pakhanglakpa MLA S. Subha Chandra and many eminent persons took part in the event.
education department is loktak kum anywhere koi so nga in nga lak pa adana departments ra so is the big thing na amana chalo sa so u ba amana chalo sa so u ba amana chalo sa so u ba aso do ye no ya apa so kitang mayam ubi da ina si de kitang thamjage yan na da higher education na akoi quality am wale because akoi satra gi absenteeism mingi samri salamani ka bana ni kutre ka kani sabum salamani ka sa ka kani ozana yan kai mari ozana du ozana singo mai to bi na do angang sing se higher education di quality wale apa bakra to ri phai higher di to ni magi bitul lai ga bane interest yaw go bane adu kari do ge apa badu so ya da phat ma da ma high le ga di adu se sila ga di mi do thak da mi thai sa na mi sa ya sa na ge thapur ge ma higher ni
Acting on a tip of regarding presence of a suspected gang member involved in threatening and extortion in Ngakchorpokpi village area of Bishnupur district, a combined team of Ngaikong Kuno Battalion Army and a team of Commando Unit Bishnupur led by HAV number 411807 and Dayananda Singh under the command of OC Commando Unit Bishnupur and overall supervision of additional SP Operation Bishnupur conducted search operation in the village last night at around 9:15. During the search operation, one suspected gang member, 41-year-old Ngasipam Ajit Kumar Singh, alias Ajit, son of Ngasipam Manglem of Ngakchro Pokpi, Maning Laikai, Ward number 1, was arrested. The team also recovered one country-made pistol and one mobile phone from his possession. The arrested person and the seized items were handed over to OC Bishnupur Police Station for further necessary proceeding. Bishnupur Police Station has registered a case and investigations are going on. On the note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you a special report from Impact News, Bishnupur correspondent on road mishaps in Bishnupur district. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. 25 people succumbed to road mishaps on Tidim Road in Bishnupur district till September this year. Impact News Bishnupur correspondent brings you a report.
The Ministry of Road Transport Highway of India government implemented the new Motor Vehicles Amendment Act 2019 nationwide on September 1 to curb the increasing road mishaps across the country. The act was implemented in Manipur following a Gazette notification on September 7. District Transport Officer of Bishnupur, Hemochandra Irengbam, appealed to vehicle owners in Bishnupur district to procure their vehicle documents on time.
The Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019 mainly focused on road safety, public mayamgi license paidana, che chang shudana, adagi certain guidelines mayamgi against the haitare khangna bu oiresu khangdana oiresu tawriba mayamsi control certain level the control taunaba aduga akoi Bishnupur district ki oinesu Motor Vehicle MMB Amendment Act 2019 zila kodagi license ki applicants masing adu matik hengatle.
25 people died in 85 road accidents on National Highway number 2, Tidim Road between January to September this year. Bishnupur District SP Priyadarshini Lystrom told Impact News that the main reason behind the road mishap is traffic violation by vehicle owners.
85 number of accidents akoigi kano sida is da to eba Bishnupur District ki Tidim line sida is da Handaki 2019 gi January chahi hobadagi na till the end of September. Sigi manung sidaista milai da bayaw se 25 grievous injuries habatare kara thina sok pagum basena tratruk 16 numbers. Aduga chamaga kunnithoy amana minor injuries kumbaleba. Aduna se total 85 akoigi accident cases se se recorded neba traffic inspector amasu hapakanda lairiba akoigi points mayam sida dum movement tawrakanda kamai na akoigi regulations eg maina chathariba habdu sukatang kupna monitor tongnaba masiki kenosima athuba matamda koi district police ki oina paikhajaragani.
The new Motor Vehicles Amendment Act 2019 increased the amount of fine imposed upon traffic rule breakers 5 to 10 times higher than the previous amount. The DTO appealed to people to strictly abide by traffic rules.
Hanadi penalty si in terms of 100, 200, 500 adu overloading gi especially 2000 rupees ka leram basi hujikti penalty se amti na hefty 5 times ka khena re hujikti suppose sip speed the thobusi masi kano da laigre 1000 rupees da hana di lupa chama gi chalan ka cheram bani adu more than almost 10 times high tar adu certain mayamam su violation taroko mayam da magi ek mayamam laigre adu matungina penalties na hefty penalty high tar
Bishnupur Police SP Priyadarshini said that preventive measures are underway to station a traffic OC in Bishnupur district to avoid the increasing road mishaps. She appealed to public to cooperate.
Semiba lairiba rules and regulations mayam se it is for all the citizens to follow the rules and regulations. Fazana niyom chumna adegi hogi rules and regulations mayam se fazana follow toraga chatpiba.
With input from Bishnupur correspondent Naresh Sagolsem, this is Ibeto Tokchom, Bureau Report, Impact News, Bishnupur.
Water levels of various rivers passing through the Imphal city have risen due to rains in the last couple of days. Imphal river banks bridge flooding Namthapung areas of Chekon last night at around 10:30 p.m. Locals came out and built temporary retaining walls to block the overflowing river water. Local MLA Henry Okram and officials of the Flood Control Department took immediate stock of the situation. It may be recalled that the same area suffered severe floods last year. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren then assured to take appropriate measures to prevent the same fate. However, people in the area expressed disappointment that the Chief Minister has failed to take appropriate measures like construction of proper retaining walls till date to ease their plights. The residents remained apprehensive of experiencing yet another severe flash floods.
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯆꯦꯛꯀꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯅꯝꯊꯟꯄꯨꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯅꯤꯅꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯣꯡ ꯆꯨꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯅꯝꯊꯟꯄꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯜꯒ ꯇꯥꯏꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯈꯠꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯊꯤꯡꯅꯅꯕ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯗꯤꯄꯔ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯍꯣꯜꯂꯛꯑꯒ JCBꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯍꯤꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯅꯝꯊꯟꯄꯨꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯖꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯆꯥꯎꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ
ngarangdane nong chugibdiko adu ngasi isingje haipet phajana kareba
khunjasingna kai sem panjingje thingnabo kai khonarige
akhoi wa nong khara phaglong khara tawraga akhoi pakhang macha sing hai tare ko lekai gi pakhang macha sing anak palai bising gidasu laga sum mateng pangna ro sura leirabani
ado hoji paugi na government gi side tagi sigi panjing asu thingnabo kai thawak pakhakrge
masi hauji makoina si laiba khara purak piba aduga si JCB ga puraga khara ko piuse sinatna de atai di kaya thoidok ko laite hakumju amra kai gre hauji su muka kai ningai tawduna muka tawribni akhoina pamjar sidi yam phajana semdok pirba yam thana hauji ti macha ne ma sembi ri se yam thana sembi raba yam phajana kaino tawbirba ko adugumdo khoi pame
masini hauji mahom asida laiba khunjasingna phongdorokpagi matungina haiba mahom asi mamang chahidasu mahom asimaktada ising chawrokpadagi pan asi kaibadagi mahom asigi yum gaya ama ising thumduna laigrani mahom asimaktada chief minister masamak laktuna mamang chahi yengsin khrabani aduba hojik phawbagi oinadi turengi mapan sing asi paka oina phajana semgatpa phajana wall oina khagattabana maram oiraga hojikchu numin ngarang ngahan ga numin ni nongleptana chubuna mafam asida hoji ising mai chawkhalakpadagi isingi phut khar phawjalakpa adudagi wall singi maramaraktagi ising phawjalakpa namar khunja sing hoji pakatpa phawnari adu haiba mafam asi karma matamda manipur lengang na semjan bigador bino haiba dudi yengmina batari camera person bino kolon na pawdamjre ba lakhi lai lakpam chekon
Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited cum Chief Advisor of Friendly Environmental Warriors FIU K. Sarat Kumar presented food items to flood-affected victims of Kamranga village in Ziripam district today. It may be mentioned that rains in the last couple of days flooded around 64 houses at Kuchoi of Kamranga Muslim area. More than 50 flood victims are currently taking refuge at Kamargha government-aided lower primary school. Sangai Services, which provides various utility and domestic services, have launched its mobile app. Launching the app at its office in Uripok, Taurangpam Laikai today, company chairman Yailen Laichongba urged people in the state to utilize the app, which has been developed in association with Northeast Web Designing to get various domestic services. He mentioned that septic tank cleaning service is the latest addition. Yailen Laichongba appealed to people to support the initiative, which is creating jobs for unemployed youths of the state.
Apps asi mobile application asigi mateng dagi yam line mi waibagi khudong chaba hadi koina hana pijaramba servicing aju adumaga adum piri aduga anauba service hengalakpada koina tank cleaning akoi toilet cleaning sengningai machine ju akoida gari leijare yam laiba mongda adi koin tanki adi toilet phun basing aju koina yam line service pijari.
State-level Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program (PMEGP) exhibition concluded today. Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board organized the expo at the board complex in Lamphilpat since October 14th. 3 stalls which made the highest sale during the expo were felicitated on the occasion. Speaking on the sidelines, Chairman of Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board L. Radhakishore asserted that the board has undertaken various projects despite financial crunches. Taking part in the event, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khemchand lauded Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board for all its initiatives which contribute in boosting the state's economy.
Indian freedom movement da Khadi ke achoba movement awal lagi bido karim nate matam logi is India company and sanga khaga Bharat Sasan Paiba masi economy na depend on na khala kanda matam logi Mahatma Gandhi ji na luchingba adumba movement da da we Khadi ke achoba movement awal akibido yam chungwa pamne madu Manipur so masi self sufficient economy ama pukana wala bada we Khadi ke achoba role ama legani masina state economy da achoba we kana upigani.
Diwali, the festival of lights, is being celebrated with traditional fervor and gaiety by the Hindu brethren across the country today. People of the state also joined the celebration with fervor and gaiety. They wish for the festival to promote goodwill and understanding amongst people of all castes, creed and religions and dispel hostility, conflict and mistrust among the people to herald in an era of peace, progress and prosperity in the state.
Diwali lakpasi mayam da nuksit chanabagi amammadagi angan ba lakpa adu fawi mayam loima santi leiba yang kuina kaurbai mana mayam happy Diwali ne message lakpada mamurabado amung ang thorokpai wakhan anu wasama lai haita Diwali lakpasi da mayam nuksit chanana maru mapang loima nungaina lebiu adu loima ichini naw ne khanbiu Manipur santi oina laisa nuina aduga cracker simadi handabiu oina hajak
hi amda mutang lakpani na ko yamna harawoi maraba sing punba khoppa ko mainung than yam nuai haita Facebook painari ba adi WhatsApp painari jo hai karigumom ta jo haraw mana bungina
Arrangements are in full swing to celebrate the upcoming Ningol Chakoba festival. Impact News sub-editor Momoka Salam and camera person Bisojit Namairakpam bring you an exclusive report.
Manipur ki khwaidagi chawba kumhai ama oiriba Ningol Chakobaga mari leidana Manipur ki khwairaban kaithelda oiriba phibam asi miyam punna meeting taminasi. Chakoba ka then ka bira mirima hoi handak chakoba se ani thoen tukun ga mapan ma kuntra do imai hoi gi karamba da kau bidori ge hoi kuntra da hoi kaura ni be ma ada ani handak sumaina ani tholak ba gi lak pa se ima da kai phau bi ge yam nungai ti sarang nei karamba da kau bo hai wa khan lon je si da yam ngau hi hoi je khoi ada ima di chakoba sat pi roi dra ayu sakani mase mak pa oi be gi nungsi be je chakoba si khaktana nungsi be mari se hen Chesilakani na khan bi brantraga Chesilakani na khale chahim gi manung dan ongtang thokoni na ne isili naw mayam ji unaraga nungsina ba prem da hen gra khali ngai kau bi ai joten chakau ba gi pot lei bi rami bra au lei ba lai chakau ba se tang ani thoi na se karam ba doi na kau bi dori ge akhoi de kontra doi kau ra ne ꯐꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯦ
ꯂꯩꯔꯦ
ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯣꯜ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯣ ꯀꯧꯕꯤꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ
ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕ ꯆꯠꯄꯤꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ
ꯆꯠꯀꯅꯤ
ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦ
ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 28ꯒꯤꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯅ ꯅꯣꯡ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦꯅ ꯇꯥꯡ 30ꯒꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯅꯤ
ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ
ꯑꯁ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯗꯤ ꯐꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯗꯈꯤꯅꯥꯗ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯗꯈꯤꯅꯥꯗ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯀꯣ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯔꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯅꯔꯗꯤ ꯏꯕꯨꯡ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯆꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯐꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯗꯈꯤꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯣꯛꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯤꯒꯦ
ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯣ
ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯉꯩꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯁꯤꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯏꯕꯦꯝ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧ ꯃꯌꯥꯁꯤ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 10,000ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 10,000 ꯌꯣꯟꯕꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯦ 5, 6, 7, 9 ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ
handa chakau bai posi che kamai
as handa ki chakau bai posi di loire so che posi te kana I bara piri ba di tek che thiri ba mayam dina kain ka khulang ang kau da bus yaw makha de oi pham lai ram dina sai da mata sitte chakau la ko de po yo mo de nungai ni ne khale yo li ne do as upai chu lai lai tere chakau bo de ne
Machil maupa oibagi nungsinabagi mari chetsin hanbata natana lamdam asigi khwaidagi chawba kumhai amasu oiba ningol chakau bana lakpada lamdam asigi miyamna harau tayamba ka loinana saruk yanari adubu lamdam asigi miyamna machil maupa oibagi nungsinabagi mari asibu hena chetsin hanba thamba pamlaga su hauzik uriba achau arangda hidanabagi shaktam asida asum chakhiba taragadi machil maupa oibagi mari aduda hena chetsin hanba ngamgadawri brahaiba adudi miyamgi thamoida mi painari Impact News ki dama miyam da paudam jari bi ai Momoka Salam Khwairamban Bazar Imphal
SBI Thobal branch provided Sunday special banking facility yesterday on Sunday in view of Ningol Chakoba and Diwali festivals. Speaking to media, Assistant Manager of SBI Thobal branch, Dr. Maitram Uttam Luang said that the bank employees worked till 7 p.m. yesterday and provided banking facilities to both salaried and non-salaried people in the area. Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren has greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Meitei community, on the joyous occasion of Ningol Chakoba festival, which is one of the biggest festivals of Manipur. In his greetings, the Chief Minister said Ningol Chakoba celebrates the unbreakable bond of love between brothers and sisters and reinforced the parental care and love for their married daughters. He urged people to imbibe the ideals of the festival to foster the spirit of amity, harmony and goodwill in our lives. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam greeted the people of the state, especially the Meitei community, on the joyous festival of Ningol Chakoba. He wished for the festival to bring peace, progress and overall development in the state and enhance the spirit of unity, cohesiveness and brotherhood amongst the people. Red Radiance Thangabat Mapal felicitated the winners of the state-level scholarship exam titled Ultimate Academic Championship 2019, held in view of next year's metric examination today. The event was held at Machalai School in Palace Compound. Red Radiance has been organizing the exam exclusively for the Class 10 students in the month of October every year. Top 3 winners of the exam were presented a cash award of 3,000 rupees, 2,500 rupees and 2,000 rupees respectively, while 7 consolation winners were presented a cash award of 1,000 rupees each. Three-month fitness trainer certification course kicked off today in Lifestyle Gym in Sangai Pro Mamang Laikai. 3 brand ambassadors of the gym who brought laurels for the state in various bodybuilding championships were also felicitated on the occasion. Lifestyle Gym also announced special packages for the players of Neroka FC, Trau FC and Classic Football Academy and handed over its annual monetary fund to all Manipur Bodybuilding Association AMBA. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman of SP Group S. Prasyojit said that the gym has been taking initiatives to keep youths in the state fit and healthy. He announced that the gym would provide 9 lakh rupees each to the selected football clubs. He added that a certificate course will help in reducing unemployment rates in the state. Bishnupur MLA Govindas Konthaujam, AMBA President and Keratan, Director of Classic Football Academy Naubatau Thangjam and Trau President Longjam Bhagaton attended the event. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Coordinating Committee of Manipur Integrity, Kukomi urges people to cease work on October 31st to agitate against this integration of Manipur. MPCC submits memorandum to safeguard Manipur to Prime Minister and Union Home Minister through Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah. Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan urges Ayushman Bharat beneficiaries to approach BJP workers for any inconveniences while utilizing their health cards. And Hindu community of Manipur celebrates Diwali, the festival of lights, with fervor and gaiety.